And here we are. Don't worry, nothing major happened. We were just messing with the exhaust, making some exhaust and stuff. And basically the bolts got snapped and ruined. So there's no way to attach them anymore. Start her up. Okay. So what's up, everyone? We are finally putting the Y pipe back on and getting the exhaust sorted out, and we're pretty much gonna get it roadworthy again. So far, we've got this like kind of janky setup with these not screw on, but like these flanges, because some of the flanges in there broke when we were taking the Y pipe off, and yeah, so here we are. Getting it ready for the new flanges. Oh, hold on. Gotta go with it. Come on, I know, I'm just checking things out. It's gotta be four. This is pretty difficult. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Well, guys, just become a lot more in depth for taking the manifold off. So first off, we're removing these like plug wires, and yeah, this could go wrong, but I mean, I don't see why it would. But yeah, this is becoming a lot more in depth now. Not fun. So we're getting the compressor and a pneumatic impact wrench. This is not going well, honestly, and I think we should just replace the manifold, but it is a little more expensive. But whatever. Let's see if this works. If not, we can always replace the manifold too. Okay, we got the manifold out. So we were able to just take these coils, or the plugs off, and then just undo all the bolts. And we were able to slide it past the steering shaft. We were able to maneuver it past it a little. So, good. So we are going to be torching this bolt real quick and unscrewing it from the manifolds.
I'm going to try it. Oh, wait.
Oh, is it just coming off?
Looks like.
Dang it, I wanted to torch. This thing is fun.
It's cool, yeah.
Like, watch this. Heck yeah.
Okay. This thing has caused me so much pain. I despise it with all of my being.
So we got the manifold back in, and we ordered brand new manifold, brand new gasket. So yeah, there's that, and we should be able to get that installed though. This should work well enough for now. But yeah, I'm not too happy about that. Here we go, guys. These are our brand new parts. In here we got the brand new bolts for the cylinder heads, because those ones are known to be terrible. We got a gasket in here, 2 gaskets actually, I think. Looks like, yeah, 2 gaskets in here. And so I ended up getting 4 by accident, because both of them, so they come with 2 sets, but I thought it was only 1. So right here, we've got our driver's side manifold. And these are all OEM, by the way, 100% from the factory. And up in here, we got our second set of gaskets and passenger manifold. So let's hope this goes smoothly. We're working on getting that other one out right now, because one of them is in, one of them's out. And I'm just gonna unbox these real quick, and we're gonna these are glued in pretty good. packaged nicely, I'll say. Here we go. Just a box of some bolts. So those are cool. And yeah, we're getting to the actual taking off of the header that's on there right now. So we're working pretty good. Just taking these out.
I had started to put them back in, but then we realized not gonna work.
We're gonna need new manifolds, yeah, we realized that. Then over here, I've got this blocked off with a trash bag, just so nothing got in to the cylinder heads. But what else did we have to disconnect for this?
Oh, we had to take off. I had to take off the dipstick.
Right, yeah. So, right now, as you can see, we're just getting these, trying to get these manifold bolts out without breaking anything. So you can actually, if you guys didn't know this, 'cause there's a video where, like, it does not look this easy, but you can actually pull this up even with that steering shaft in the way. You just have to get it like back there. There we go. Now, we can get this hunk of junk out of here. So the new one is ready to go in. This sucker's brand new. Strong metal right here. Like, this is not bending. Got it. Nice. Yeah, we gotta put the gas. Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to set it down real quick. Okay. Anyways, you guys get the idea. This is a massive pain, but yeah, we have to do that on both sides, but the next side's easier. So the driver's side is all the way on, bolted down to 18 foot-pounds like it's supposed to be. Looks secure besides that last bolt over there, which is one we're getting removed at the shop because it will not come off. It's secure enough, and it was actually like that before, but yeah, it was fully on. I'm gonna real quick put these plugs back in, and then we're gonna do the passenger. So real quick, guys, this is some really nasty dirt under these fender flares, and while they're off, I might as well spray these down with some soap and clean them off. I got this just normal rag here, not a microfiber, because I mean, it's under the fender flares, and the most it's gonna do is like surface scratch it if anything, and it won't matter in the long run. There we go. So this is just water and some honeydew soap in it. So it's pretty foamy. It smells pretty good too. I'm honestly gonna hit all these spots real quick. Yeah, see that? That just comes right off. We can get that all clean before putting that. Also, this scratch wasn't there before we sold the truck, I don't think. So, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get this all cleaned up. Looks pretty good. So both manifolds are on. There, up in there, up in there. So now, all we have to do really is the Y pipe this like subframe bar or whatever that is, and then put a little bit of the exhaust on. We can't do the full thing right now because we don't have the clamps. But let's get this done. I'm so ready to have this thing up and running again. Alright guys, here we go. You ready guys? There we go. It's doing the thing. Aren't it? You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
So we got everything all buttoned up. Besides this, we just gotta put a few things on. The good news is the manifolds are, I mean, they're secure and everything. They seem to be working. Everything seems to be put together nicely. The bad news is there is a small exhaust leak here on the driver's side. Everything's torqued to spec, so I don't get it. But the good news in that bad news is we're going to the exhaust shop tomorrow anyway for the that broken bolt in the head. So we're just gonna tell them that there's an exhaust leak in the driver's side. So passenger side is great. Looks good. We got the dipstick. The dipstick was being weird, but seems to be working okay. I don't know. The exhaust shop should be able to do something. But, yeah, I guess we'll see you. I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully the truck's done tomorrow. And yeah. So the truck is all fixed up. Turns out that exhaust leak was just that exhaust seal bad luck. I'll pop the hood real quick. There we go. No more leaks on there. That was pretty good. We just got to get the rest of the exhaust